Hey, it's Rick here, and today I'm going to be kicking off a video series called Gear I Use. And this is going to be a series of videos where I talk about one specific item that I use, and I give you the example of how I might use it. Of course, I'm going to link to all of these products in the description down below each time that I do them. And today's video is about a product called the Rode i-XLR. It's this little box that is attached to the microphone that I'm holding. Check it out. So this is going to come in just under $150, and the reason why I like this is it is a very portable, really small XLR adapter. So on the box end here, it's got the XLR plugs that can then go into an XLR mic. On the other end, you get this really long cable where it's got a lightning connector on the other end that plugs into your iPhone or your iPad. And now what it allows you to do is record exceptional audio for, let's say, an on-the-go interview, a podcast. Maybe you're going to do something like what I'm doing here, and that's record video from your iOS camera app and get exceptional audio quality with this device. One other thing you can do here is you can monitor your levels. So it actually has a headphone jack attached right here along the side that you can plug in some earpods or earbuds or headphones and monitor your audio quality. You can also adjust via this knob on the front the volume coming out. So if you don't want to hear yourself as loud, you can adjust it there. Now they do have a Rode Record app. It's free. You can download it, and then what that allows you to do is this volume knob also serves as a button. So if you want to press that button, it's going to start the recording or stop it for you as well. So a couple of additional features you get there, but you don't have to use it, because what I'm doing today is I'm going straight into my iPhone 10 and just recording to the iOS camera app. So you don't have to use their app by any means. It works straight out of the box, and it gives you exceptional audio quality. So whether it be for audio recordings or for upping your game when it comes to video, the Rode i-XLR is a really good deal, coming in at under $150, and it's something that usually I bring alongside of me when I'm going to conventions or I want to get that extra level of kind of audio quality rather than just holding my phone out. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have questions, please feel free to leave them down below. And as always, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content, and I will catch you guys next time.